Well, for this week's 52 Weeks of Adventure, we are up at Mount Rainier. We're gonna ski to Muir. The snowpack is looking pretty good today. Definitely the most stable it's been in probably at least a month. And so it's been the first ski tour for March, already March, which is pretty crazy. And yeah, we're just putting our skins on right now, and then we're gonna head up to the top of Paradise. We just put on our skis. We've been going for about 45 minutes now. We're about halfway to Paramount Point, probably. Super close. We have about probably 1,000 feet to Paramount Point, and then we'll be another probably 1,000 feet from Muir Snowfield. It's a gorgeous day out today. Look at this view. Well, we're about to make the climb up to Paramount Point right now. Adrian's getting a drink of water. We're just taking a breather. There's like 2 switchbacks between here and the top. The clouds are coming in, so hopefully we don't end up getting socked in, have to turn around. Hopefully it burns off by the time we get to the top, but still gotta talk about it because don't want to get all the way to Muir Snowfield and be in a whiteout. That would not be very fun or very cool. Decided to come out and see us. Definitely cleared up a little bit. We're at the top of Paramount Point right now. So I do a little boot packing because normal trail isn't quite in anymore. But damn, it's nice outside. We are officially on the snowfield now. Just stopped for lunch. My sandwich kind of really sucked, wasn't very tasty, so I ate Ritz bits instead. The cheese Ritz bits hit the spot, they're perfect. But yeah, we can start seeing Camp Muir in the distance. We're at McClure Rock right now, I think. Not sure if I'm saying that right or not, but I don't know if it's the elevation or I'm just really out of shape, but I'm kind of tired. So, but we gotta get to the top. Let's get to the top. It's not a good sign. The clouds seem to be moving in. The snow is starting to fall. And yeah, you just heard Adrian, we're bailing. Yeah, Rainier. This is our 3rd time trying to get to Muir, and we failed or have come short every time. Last time Adrian forgot his boots. That time before that, it was November and there's barely any snow up here. But yeah, should be a pretty fun ski down actually.
A lot of failure, Dev.
It's not a failure at all. We got out here. Yeah, got out on the skin track and had a great time, and now we get to ski. The fun part. probably one of the coolest lines I've ever done backcountry skiing so far. Ran up on this group of people that are probably training for Denali. Scared the living daylights out of me. But yeah, we're going back to the car right now. Oh shoot, hopefully I didn't get a ticket. I'm in the handicap spot. I had no idea. It wasn't even marked.
Park in handicap space.
How much?
Do you see it?
Yo, Dev. You could argue there's snow on the ground. You couldn't even see it.
Yeah, I know.
I see it.
Warning notice. We're chilling. So that's the end of, I don't know what week it is. 50 weeks of adventure this week. Skiing at Mount Rainier. Didn't make it all up to Muir, but that's okay. Weather kind of decided to come in. Now it's, of course, now it's clear. But it's 2 o'clock and we're ready to get back to Seattle. And yeah, if you want to follow along on 52 weeks of adventure, subscribe to the channel, like this video if you enjoyed it. Hopefully you did. Probably by this point you probably did. And I guess all there else is to say is I'll see you guys out on the trails and I'll catch you on the next one.